Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel. So today we discuss topic about that how to create Google Map location. So any further query Google Map regarding you can contact my channel. I definitely will be supporting. First of all, any website major need is called Google Map location. Google Map location creation will be two types with the website name with keyword. Some people will be creating is a keyword option. Some people will creating for business name. So each Google Map location they're supporting 300 characters, less than 300, not more than 300. In this, open Google My Business location, business.google.com. In this, add single business. First of all, select your business name. Before any business name creation, we have to first of all select your business name. Next, business category. So what is that here? Pharma professional. So what is it? Pharmaceutical company. Okay. Next. Do you want ad location customers can visit like shop or office? You have shop or there. No. If you're not there, click for no. If yes, click for yes. Next. After that, you can add your address. Address will be added here. So address was created here. This will be address will be created. So second I am writing here. No need to writing here. Our option, town, city, pin code and state. Next click for next option. Address adding is compulsory mandatory. Next, add your location. Exact location you can check from the Google itself. So here is the option. I'm checking for Google here. Better to check. So exact location you can check from here. So these are exact location. And check the location will be here and mark for here. Machabularam Lake. So now you can check here. Map will be here. Where exactly? Where is the lake? You can check for lake option. So just you can update here. So map will be sharing to WhatsApp. The map same will be shown to the where in Google Map location. Click for next. How to know that Machabolaram Lake? Here is the option. So exact map will be sharing from through WhatsApp. First check the WhatsApp and the same map will be creating for Google Map location. Google Map location, people asking one question. With website, without website. We can create two options, with website and without website. Phone number will be mandatory. The people will be reach for the business. If anybody asks one question, can you reach your Google My Business through calls also? Yes, is the first preference through calls. Next is the website preference. Do you prefer delivered or home or office visit? Yes, you can visit our office. Why? Because Google Map location major reason is called visit our office purpose. Click for yes and next. Next option, what are the service areas? Secunderabad, Bolaram. So what are the areas are nearby? We can check here. So what are the nearby areas? You can check for me here. Alwar. So now we are adding only for here service is nothing but you can target up to 20 areas. Nearby areas. Suppose you are Hyderabad. What is your location? Koti. Koti nearby. Abid, Krishnagar. It will be adding for 20 areas. Then target your map will be up to nearby 20 areas. Okay. Which area will be followed? So here is option. Anything you can add from here. So where you can check for based on the maps, what are the location nearby? You can add by here. Is it clear? Suraram. Here all options are it will be here. See here. But when coming to near Suryanagar, any Suryanagar is there? Hyderabad? No. So leave it. So adding for 3 areas, click for next. Service area we can add previous unlimited. Now will be only for limited. First, add your website. Google Map location with website, without website. With the website here, the Google Map create the free maps. Next will be phone number. Phone number mandatory fill. Why? Because if you post a card not required, we can activate with your phone number option. Click for next. Is verify with the phone number or postal code. Two things. If he is asking for phone number verification, is that asking for Google verification code? First, you can send by the text option. So the customer received by the Google verification code here. So just verify the code, click for verify it. The code is valid, your business was verified successfully. Some people will be having what is the issue? Exact location, you have to check it out and give to the proper number and receive the postal card exactly 12 working days except Sunday and Saturday. So we can give the timings here. Timings, what are the timings office are opening? We can give the timings. We can call 24 hours also. But nobody can work in 24 hours. We can give this time here. So nothing but 8. So manually you enter. So what are the business you can open? That is the holiday time you can mention for holiday. Like Saturday, Sunday, half day. You can mention for the half day also. What are the changes you can making for the change option also? And sir, after creating map, any changes are required. Can I change it? Always you can change anytime. But once you decide the title, don't change. That's my suggestion. Title nothing but your business name. You are changing number of times, your map will be suspended due to the policy regarding. Is it clear? Now click for. If it is not there, close it. Open. Click for next. Anytime you can change your time also. No need to worry. This is nothing but any people will be generating questions like codes. We reply for the add the messenger option. Click for next. Is asking for simple text. I'm writing for the simple text option. What the text will be here? Copy, paste, next. Your map will be successful done by the particular option. Now we are adding the photos. Photos will nothing but you can add any kind of photos. That is a mandatory field. Add 2 photos also, no issues. But photo will be compulsory, adding will be mandatory. Right now I'm adding only for logo. Right now I don't have any particular images. So here I am adding for which option? Only adding for logo. So later you can add any images. Anytime add your any images. So how many images is limit? No limit for adding the images. Click for next. It is a hard. Nothing but if you are going to add it, will be when adding the 2000 rupees, we can get the 2000 rupees free credits. I'm not interested. Skip here. Continue. So it will be nothing but your business almost all ready. Ready nothing but your business will be verified with your phone number. Verify with your phone number option. So that is called click for continue. So now your business will be successfully verified in your particular option. But here they will be taking for the sometime verification, sometime processing. The processing will be taking for exactly when is the location will be successfully done, they will accept by the your particular map. It's taking for 3 working days. Where you can find out the working days, it will be processed. Go to info, exactly 3 working days the map will be finished. The business is verified listing may be reviewed for quality and can take 3 days to be published. Is it clear? This is the mandatory field to create the map purpose. Is it clear, guys? So this is nothing but we can create the option will be here. So this is the below ad will show to the customers. Is it clear? This is a creating for Google Maps for the new business location. There are 2 type of verification with phone number OTP or postal code 12 working days. If you any further query, contact Digital Channel. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe our channel.